custom budgets allow us to run budgets on non-standard timeframes, which are great for promotions and so forth. So if we go to custom budgets and we click add a custom budget, first we need to name our budget, such as our spring promotion. Then we'll pick our campaign or our shared budget name. So we'll pick a campaign. And then we want to know what's the budget amount and when should this particular budget be used. So if we have a short-term promotion we want to run, we can choose our budget, our start dates, and we can even have additional budget amounts running on different sets of dates. Then we need to know what happens at the end of the schedule. So if we spend $1,000 and we end on June 26th, what should we do? So should we leave the campaign status what it was during the schedule period, or should we pause it? And then should we set the campaign budget to what it was during the schedule or the amount it was at before the schedule started? Then once we've created our options, we can save it. And we can have multiples running. If we want to edit one, we can always click on edit, change our time frames, change it around, and so forth. And by using the custom budget feature, you can easily schedule out in advance promotional budgets or short-term budget boosts you want to run for your campaigns.